We have a box from Insta360. We're also at the racetrack, and oh my gosh!
Hold on, I'm trying to kill us really quick.
Oh gosh!
Why is this apart?
Do I need to supervise you when
Sure.
you sharp objects? I can't take you anywhere.
Nope.
We're jumping it out?
The POV.
Oh my gosh, okay. We're gonna use all of these goodies to film this race weekend. So let's take a look at what we have. We've got the X5 360 cam. I think this will be really cool to watch like race starts and then to turn it around and see all the cars around. That's gonna be super cool.
That's the one you can swing.
We're gonna do the swinging thing. We're gonna try not to hurt anyone, but no guarantees. Oh, we have mics.
That's so pretty.
Oh. And we have an Ace Pro 2. Yes. Ace Pro 2. I am really excited because I have the DJI version, so I'm looking forward to seeing how this compares. And we have accessories. Suction cup mount. This will be good for in-car. Side mount, cool. We got POV. Good. What's this? It's a stick! All right. Action invisible selfie stick. Microphones.
I know, I'm so excited.
Microphones. What are we gonna open first?
You wanna do the microphones? So these all look very pleasing.
I appreciate the packaging. It just help me.
Oh my gosh, they're smiling!
They're so cute.
Oh my gosh, I was just seeing that you can change these to any picture.
We're gonna be mic'd up all weekend long.
Those are so cute.
And you can change it.
Hold on. There's more.
Oh, there's
It comes with
more
accessories.
It's like a little hat that goes on him. That's way too cute. It feels like Christmas. So charging here.
Yes,
There's a little
see them.
charging indicator. This is adorable.
Instructions, who needs those?
I really like the way it opens. It feels very
I do
secure.
too.
And there's also transmitter in case you want to use it just on its own. So let's put these in
Oh yeah, the
little pouch. PC.
This probably slides onto the transmitter.
Little magnets for the back.
Oh.
Packaging is very secure. We're getting ready to deploy these this weekend.
Be ready. I had just saw an Instagram video where she changed them and I was like, but the smiley face. It's so happy.
Okay, you're gonna get this one this weekend. Then we have a little pouch for all of it. It is kind of windy at the track right now, so maybe we'll put these in the pouch and save them. Let's do Ace Pro. Ooh!
It's just...
I really like the Leica lens. It like pops and it makes you want to look at it, which I like the little
is so
outline.
pretty.
Oh, this is super cute. And it feels very sturdy too. It's satisfying. Let's do this. This is my favorite part of getting new electronics.
New technology.
Is taking the screen protector off.
Ooh, even the batteries, right?
This is cool because the screen flips up, goes like that. So then you have a screen to see yourself. Turn it on.
It's so cute.
I do appreciate having the larger screen to look at. That's pretty good. Ooh,
It's so cute. Oh, we're gonna play with the ratios here. We can make it a square.
ooh.
That gave it a wider view. Oh, it's like YouTube. That's like movie status there. This is so cool.
You have something to geek out on tonight.
I do. I'm gonna
Good.
got endurance mode. We're gonna use that in the car.
Sounds like I need to do an endurance race. We will charge them tonight and play with them.
I don't know what this goes to, but this was just the
Oh,
pop right
interesting.
there.
Oh, I wonder if it looks like it's a cover for this. So the microphone maybe? This looks like maybe it pops off. So it actually has like a wind guard built in.
Oh.
So if it's super windy, you can actually still hear the person fairly clearly. And it's all built in because of this thing. So we're very excited. Can we just put it in the mic bag? Is this extra battery?
Yes.
Ooh.
I'll charge it all tonight.
Charge that.
Charge
Cool.
the thing.
Oh my gosh.
Another box.
So excited.
X5.
This is probably the one I'm most excited for. This is tempting to open anything. I like the packaging. This is serious. All right, let's unplastic this.
Ooh, satisfying.
Very. And then there's this one. Cool. Ooh,
Oh,
this
so
is
pretty.
the first time that I've gotten to play with a 360 cam. This is very cool. So we have, oh my gosh. I don't know what I was expecting, but not
That
that.
is a chunky battery.
This is a very serious battery. Does the same mount from the
Be
Ace fit? Ooh,
Yep.
I appreciate that. Compatibility.
He's got a little case too.
Oh, he has his own case. Oh,
He's got his own little microfiber.
we're gonna name them.
We need a label maker.
All right.
He's got his own little microfiber.
8K 360.
That's gonna go crazy.
Oh, that's cool. You can spin it around on the display. I don't even know what to do with this right now. This is so trippy. This is so cool.
Oh, this is gonna be so good.
Exceeding expectations here. Let's open the stick.
Oh,
We're not done.
Okay.
We're not close to being done, guys. Hey,
that's a weapon.
I can get away with anything, I swear. Action invisible selfie stick. Screwed on. This is solid. Does this pull? Oh!
We can really see that. Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
I think as long as it's inside the car, I think it's fine. This is pretty cool. Also, I feel like this is a dream haul, especially at the racetrack and being able to put all this to use this weekend. I'm so excited. This is your dream haul as a media person.
I'm having so much fun. I have so much to learn.
Have these been on your list to want to play with?
That has, for
this?
sure. Yeah. That I wanted to compare to GoPro. And then when you got to DJI, I was like, ooh, I wonder how.
So you have the GoPro, I have the DJI. We just got the Ace Pro 2. So we'll be putting this to the test. I really like the look of it. It just looks super professional.
It looks like yours too. So on the little flip up, it's just like...
You should use this to vlog in the same way you could.
I know, because now that I've seen these two products, I'm like, this, it's done.
You should do a whole behind the scenes of what it's like to be a photographer at... You should!
I am with that one, that's what I'm gonna do. I have a whole video.
Well, use this one too.
We have this mount, the suction cup, that we're gonna mount it in your car.
We have a suction cup mount. And I think we can probably use this with both of the cameras that we got.
Yes.
Alright, this is beefy. I like this.
That I'm very excited about.
Ooh, I'm gonna leave this on here so that we don't get it gross. But nice beefy suction cup mount. Oh, twist it and then... Ooh, that's actually pretty nice because it feels like, because it's metal, it feels very premium and it doesn't feel like the plastic GoPro one where you're like...
Where it's gonna fall.
Or like can't tighten it too. This is half a twist and it is tight. I have been wanting one of these.
When I saw it, I was like, ooh, she's gonna have a blast with this.
Oh my. I'm not sure that this is how it goes on. He's not even looking at us.
How do we get this on your neck? Oh, it's adjustable. It's only one side.
It's not this one.
Oh god. Just like...
Oh, there's a button on the side to make sure it's secure. That's kind of cool.
I have so many accessories to keep up with.
I know. This is cool. So we can do walk around the paddock.
Yep, and you can also do the 360 camera.
And we can swing the 360 camera. I am beyond excited about this swing. Someone, probably me, will be getting hurt.
No, I think one of the crew members will be getting whacked in the...
Well, there will be victims. I feel armed and ready.
And you have footage.
Alright. I'm so excited. Side mount. This is our last one. We get to use these 2 weekends in a row because we have 2 back-to-back race weekends. So this is super perfect timing that it arrived at the track before the race weekend.
Just a little
side mount. So if we were to go, we can unhook this. So then it, cool. And then we can just leave this on here. So then we can mount it either vertically or horizontally.
And then we can use that one.
And we can also do it here.
Ooh, that is true. You can do that.
That's quite cool. And I like how it's fairly thin, so it doesn't really add any extra bulk to the camera. This feels really nice.
I know, it is.
It feels super premium.
It's very sturdy. You could drop that thing.
I can't believe it's 8K. That's wild.
Oh, the 8K looks like so much creamier though.
Does it? I'm excited because I've also seen people have attachments and they turn this into a camera that they hold and they use it for like street photography.
Oh, that's cool. I saw that. So it takes photos too, and it does a time lapse. It's got.
It does everything. I wonder, like, oh, they have live photos too.
I'm sorry, is this an iPhone?
It does live photos because I actually really like live photos because it's usually just long enough that I can use it as a movie clip for B-roll. Wait, let's take a selfie. That's cute.
I'm so excited to use this.
All right, so I just want to say thank you to Insta360 for sending us all of this. We're really excited to put this to use this weekend, and stay tuned to see all the cool footage that we get of this race weekend.